How to delete render file in the Filmora app. If you have been using Filmora to edit your photos or videos and now want to delete the files that you have exported from the Filmora app after editing and don't know how to do it, don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now to delete the render file, go to projects right here. Now scroll up just like this and you can find the projects just right here. Now these are the projects that I have exported. After exporting it, it shows just right here on the project section. Now to delete them, simply tap onto the three lines right here. Then here you can find the delete option just right here. Then select it and tap on to delete just right here. And now you can see it has been deleted. And that's it. This is how you can delete the render files in the Filmora app. Now do the same process to delete other files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.